Still standing better. Oh, hello there. Hi, everyone. Long time no see. I wanted to make this quick video update because as many, and I mean many people have noticed and people reached out to me saying, hey, what's going on? We haven't seen a video from you in 2 weeks or so. That is true. And first and foremost, I wanted to thank everyone who cared enough to reach out to me to see if I was okay. So the good news is I am very much okay. The bad news is that I am busier than ever before, and there's a lot of things happening in my life that are affecting my video scheduling and producing abilities. And the biggest and the absolute biggest thing for me is I am in the middle of purchasing what I call Tommy L Garage 2.0, which is a garage with a house attached to it. I'll leave it at that. There's going to be an update on it later. And I'm at the same time, I'm in the process of selling my current house. So just imagine juggling all those things. You've got home inspections, you've got tours of this house, then I have to pack in between. It's just really time consuming. At the same time, work has been really busy. It's year end, so we've been doing a lot of year end stuff. And yes, to those of you who wonder, I do have a day job. This YouTube thing is a pure hobby of mine, the passion that I follow. But what pays the bill really is my day job. So I've been working that day job. It's been really busy. I'm talking about 12-hour days, and so there's really no time, or there has been no time lately to put out videos. And I do have a whole list of videos that I want to put out, but there's just been really no time. In the few free moments that I find here and there, I've got to say I've been either packing or I've been playing guitar. I to those of you who don't know, I do play the piano, I do play the guitar. I'm not that good at the guitar, but I'm trying to get better. So I've been practicing some songs in between work meetings and whatnot. Take a guess what song that is. So that's been kind of taking up some of my free time, but that free time is just not enough to make videos and make DIY stuff. But also at the same time, I've got to say it's been kind of relaxing to not have to stick to a specific video schedule for the last over, I think, 2 years. Every single Sunday morning I posted a YouTube video, and it's been fantastic. But I've got to say, it's also a lot of pressure on me. I have to think about content every single week. I have to find time in my busy schedule during the week, on weekends, to put things together. And sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, those videos are pretty rushed. So I think once my videos resume, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on sort of higher quality content, but maybe not as frequent. So yes, some videos, let's say I can sometimes post videos, 2 videos in a week when I think it's necessary, but I will sometimes post a video every 2 weeks. But it's going to be a video that most of you will enjoy a little more, and one which will give me a lot more pleasure to produce. Because at the same time, I don't want to produce garbage. I want to produce something that's useful to the community. And my DIY videos, it seems like a lot of people really care about my DIY videos. So I'm going to be producing a lot of those. But also, I will focus on some other projects. So I'll be making a lot of DIY stuff on some of the garage improvements I'm going to be making. The what I call, again, TLG 2.0 garage will require some work, and I've got a lot of cool stuff planned for it. So that's going to be nice. In the spring, I am definitely getting another car. I'm not selling this one. This is going to stay, but I'm getting one in addition to it. There are 2 cars that I kind of am considering. Why? I mean, you probably have an idea of what it might be, but another one might surprise you. So one of those things will potentially join the TLG 2.0 stable. And obviously there's going to be some content related to that. We'll still do track days. The 2 track days that I had scheduled for this fall have been canceled because of COVID. So I actually ended up selling my track wheels, selling my track tires. I'll be getting a different set probably in the spring. And I'm also tempted, to be honest with you, to sell my current set of summer wheels. I put less than 2,000 miles on them this season. Less than 2,000 miles on this set. They're awesome, but I'm sort of itching to get something else. So maybe if you're watching this video, if you're interested in getting these wheels, if I get a deal I can't refuse, I would sell them. If not, maybe I'll keep them till the spring. I'm in really no rush, but a lot of people seem to love these wheels. So if this is something that you're interested in, let me know. And also kind of to go back to what I've been doing in my free time, aside from working and house searching and packing and playing guitar, I've also been making mud flaps. So those of you who have reached out to me needing mud flaps for your F80, F82, even F30 platform, I've made you mud flaps. I hope you really like them. And lately, I've actually recently I met up with someone who owns a Supra. So I made a custom set of mud flaps for the Supra. And those of you who need a set for your Supra, I now am ready to make you a set. So again, this is the mud flapping business is a hobby that I do on the side, and those of you who care enough to protect the sides of their vehicles really appreciate my product. But anyways, I think that's really it. So look forward to some content in the next few weeks, but the real proper video is probably gonna happen sometime in December. The proper video is going to be me unveiling my TLG 2.0. But again, in between, I hope to find some time even for the RC content. My remote control vehicle, I did actually find some time to drive it, and I found a really good spot, one which would warrant a pretty nice full-length video with some cool slow-mo shots and whatnot. But at the same time, I am responding to every message that I get, Instagram, YouTube. I'm not very much on Facebook, so to those of you who have reached out to me on Facebook, if I don't get back to you quickly, please don't hold it against me. But at this point, I just wanted to say thank you once again for caring about me. Thank you once again for sticking around. I am not going anywhere. This is just a minor setback. Not a setback. This is just me being busy in life, and so I have to really prioritize what I really have to focus on, and obviously family, work comes first, then the passions that I follow. But I really am fortunate to have a pretty large following, people who care enough about me to reach out, people who care enough to watch my content, and I really appreciate it, and I know it'll continue. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I will, as always, address every single one of them. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.